My name is Mick Scully. I was a cook in the United States Army, and I am Mr. Steak. Grilling is one of my favorite things to do in life. It brings people together. Having friends and family and everybody having a good time, it doesn't get any better. The idea of the Mr. Steak Grill is to get steakhouse quality results anywhere you go. Hiking, boating, camping, fishing, the beach. You can actually take it to the moon if you had a way to get there. You can be a good chef. You can be a great chef. But it's going to be a whole lot easier if you have the right tools. It's infrared. You can grill something in half the time of a standard grill because it cooks at twice the temperature. In less than 2 minutes, it's 1,000 degrees. It heats up fast and it cools off fast. I want the Mr. Steak brand to be for the everyday person that wants great quality and doesn't want to have to pay more than it's worth to get it.